Greetings. Today I'm going to share with you the announcements. This week, your announcement is for you to complete the midterm exam, as well as the work ethics assignment. The work ethics topic is the importance of work ethics in today's global society. It should be in Times New Romans. Font size should be 12. You should double space and indent paragraphs. The internal citations will be discussed further. Your references, you need a minimum of 3 references, and your length of paper should be 1.5 pages. Okay. The file name should be Importance of Work Ethics, and you will upload your library work ethics assignments in the Dropbox. And if you have questions or concerns, you can go to after hours chat support, but hopefully you will not have questions. So I'm going to go back to control course content. And again, I will be out of the office until Tuesday, July the 6th. You would click on module 4. You would go to your midterm exam and take your midterm exam. If you have already taken it, that's great. If you have not completed your work ethics assignment, you need to do so before the scheduled deadline, which is July 4th by 11:59 p.m. Click here to access work ethics assignment Dropbox, which is right here. You will upload it, but here you will have PowerPoint links where you can actually view each of the links by clicking next. And this is just giving you an overview of what the traits are. You can actually listen to the audio if you prefer, or you can look at the PDF format. Next, you can go in and take advantage of the library virtual orientation. This video will actually explain how to go in and research articles. So you will click on that and put your first name, last name, your email address, and confirm your email address, and put your program name. And that will be what you would need to do to go in to actually view the content of the video regarding the library orientation. Next, you can see a sample report, and the sample report here, I can scroll up back to the top. Here you have a sample report with the title. Your title will be The Importance of Work Ethics in the Global Society. Make sure you have an introduction, and you will introduce your traits, and then you will list your trait on the side heading. If you talk about attendance, you will talk key attendance in bold, as well as double spaced your paragraphs. Your entire document should not be bold, just the side headings and your title. And you will double space, indent paragraphs. Here you will see an internal citation of the author's last name and a comma and the year in parentheses, and put the period after, not before. And so you will always put your internal citation at the end. Side heading again, page number, and your conclusion needs to be a side heading, and you will conclude as well. Okay, now transitional expressions. These are words that can help you get your train of thought across. This is a chart, and one way is to use the group headings. The other is to find the transition you may be overusing, so to keep you from overusing words. And you can use in the same way if it's a similar word, or you can say likewise. And then if you want to show contrast, you can say in other instances, you can say nevertheless, on the contrary. And so these transitional words can help you get the train of thought across. And if you have examples, you can say for example, or for instance. That's to keep you from reusing the same word. If there's similarity, you can say likewise or similarly. And then your conclusion, you can say in conclusion, or you can say in summary, in short, or whatever words you want to conclude, as long as it's not the same word that you're reusing over and over. Okay. Next, those are the instructions again. And then here's the rubric. The siding here is what I'm going to be looking for. Do you have the topic name? Do you have evidence of quality writing, meaning not having any misspellings or grammatical errors? And do you have evidence of citation, internal citation, and references? Do you have organization of the paper? And then do you have a conclusion? And then the high score you can get for each of these type points would be the 20 points for each one of the side components. And so if you get those all 20, you can get 100. But if you get 15 or 10 or 5, then that will lower your score. So pay attention to this rubric, because that's what I will use to evaluate your work ethics assignment. And then if you click on the video, this video will take you to an Echo 360. And so when you go there, you can click on APA style for references and citations. And the purpose of this video, going to Echo 360 platform, is to give me some type of way of knowing that you actually viewed the video. And then you can click on the plus to put your comments or your questions here. And you can say, what is a reference? And that's just a general question. What is a reference? Or how to indent references. And that's a good question. Hanging indent. How to apply hanging indent to references. And so these are questions you can post, and then hopefully someone can help you in the course. And so that's a valid question. And then I would be able to help you if you've already viewed the video in time, because I will be out of the office tomorrow. I will be out of the office on July 2nd, and I'll return on the 6th. That's correct. So if you get a chance to look at the video prior to me being out of the office, I won't be able to look at anything until I return. Okay. All right. And if you need to know how to format citations, you can do that. And then post your question after you look at the video by watching the YouTube video. And then post your question if you have a question. I hope that this video or this recording has helped you and answered any of your questions. And have fun.